What's up? I'm Stonewall. Today we have the Woody Brickheadz from Laws, set number 1444, and has 167 pieces. Let's build it. So a fun little build there. Definitely looks like Woody. Let's take a closer look. So taking a closer look, we have a pretty cute Woody here from Toy Story. He is definitely dressed as a cowboy. He has a nice big cowboy hat. He has his yellow shirt on with his cow-skinned vest. He even has his little red bandana tied around his neck. Even has little tied ends there. He has a couple buttons, his gold star, because he is the sheriff indeed. He's holding a snake in his right hand. I guess he got it out of his boot. And then coming around the back, you can see he has a white pull tab. That's what you would pull to make him speak. And then he has some yellow spurs. One thing that's funny about this Brickhead is that if you open his face up, there is a little guy inside. He is controlling him like a big mech. So I'm not sure why they did that, but it's kind of funny, and it's hidden unless you know about it. So pretty good looking build. I think it's funny that they put the little guy in his head like he's a giant mech warrior or something. Let me know if you liked that in the comments. Pretty sure the Lego Brickheads don't do that. If you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe so you can catch the next video. See ya.